Hey everybody, I'm the Rusty Mechanic, and today I'm at the Shannonville Motorsports Park for a lapping day hosted by the Rolling Start HPDE group. We're going to start with an opening warm-up lap here, and then we'll start chasing down some cars. As I caught up to this Mustang, I started to realize that the car was getting louder and louder, and about a lap later I realized that I had a torn flex pipe on my exhaust. After confirming the flex pipe was torn, I decided to go back out on track and send it anyway. Deciding to take it easy on my first lap out with the torn flex pipe, I didn't realize that my tires had cooled off and this slower lap wasn't heating them back up, which led to this. So I popped back into the paddock just to make sure that everything was okay with the underside of the car, and after checking everything out, saw everything was good, I went back out on track. However, it wouldn't take long for me to realize that something was wrong with the car as the cabin started filling with smoke. In the end, it turned out it was just the exhaust fumes from the turbo that were coming in through the floor. But that would end my day at Shannonville.
I got smoke. I got smoke in the cabin. Okay, I'll let you. Sorry, I pulled in the wrong way.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Please make sure to check out my sponsor, mypartsguy.ca, and use my code RustyMech10 to get $10 off any order over $150. And as always, I'm the Rusty Mechanic, and we'll see you next time.